More. I have nothing to write about. I'm stuck in a rut. I'm failing at life. I don't know what to write about. What should I write about?
I don't know.
Horse feathers.
Ford in the building. Oh, I overheard your new beat. You should write about me and my new Model T. Oh, and my assembly idea.
Can you scoot over?
I'm a fiction writer.
You could call it the little Model T that could.
You should write about the rags to riches concept. Two boys making it on their own.
Okay.
Yeah, it just reminds me of my past.
Well, you can't live in the past. You have to live in the future.
Houdini!
You think you're funny?
Shirley Temple. And yes, I do. So what's the story?
There is no story.
Oh. Well, I know exactly what to do. You can talk about me. I'm known as the king of playing cards. Pick a card, any card. Ding. Is your card a New York Yankee sign?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. How'd you do that?
Well, I am the king of the Magic Club.
That's impressive.
Huh? What? Model T? Model T.
Can you please just shut up? I might be a drunk, but at least I'm not selfish.
You aren't selfish. How are your daughter and wife?
That's none of your beeswax. I'm gonna go to the John. When I come back, you better have a great idea. They're all getting ossified out there. I mean, they have no real purpose in life. I feel like they're just taking advantage of me. They don't really care. You know, what happened to honesty is the best policy.
Hey, where'd you get that pizza?
Well, I am Houdini, duh.
Show off. Honestly, I don't even know why Houdini's here.
What are you, stupid? I'm right here. Is this some sort of bull session?
What are you doing?
What is she doing? Yo, Will. Will is so weird and drunk. Am I right or am I right? He's got no life.
Get us to drag him. Oh, hey!
Hey, Will! What's good? Hey there, do you like magic tricks, hallucinations, bunnies? Then come on down to Houdini's Magic Show, only $5.99. Hey, don't put this in.
Don't you wish you could cruise like this? Well, come on down and buy a Model T. Model T!
Feeling down about your current situation? Think you'll never make it big? Well, I gotta tell you, you're wrong. Just look at me. I'm started dirt poor, and now I'm an accomplished actor. What you need to do is buy my talkie for daily inspiration on my rags to riches story. And you can see how I started from the bottom and how I got here. 1999 shipping and handling.
Hey, traffic on the way home, and my uncle calling me like, where you at? I gave you the keys, so you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road.
You see this beauty? Buy it. And volunteer at my soup kitchen. There's a lot of hungry kids out there. Listen up, this little sap pissed on my custom Model T.
Model T!
Dry up. He peed on my baby. He peed on my baby Cecilia. What you gonna do?
Talking to me?
Don't get smart. How much dough you got?
How much do you need?
How much do you think I need? A lot, you dozzle dingnut. About 10 G's.
I don't got any.
He spends it all on Bacardi.
You gotta love that Jag juice. You a friend of his? No. They're lovely. Let's sit down.
He wants us to pay for a car we didn't piss on. Who does he think he is?
He's Al Capone. He's the baddest gangster in the world. He thinks he's a big cheese, and he might shoot us in the brain if we don't give him his money. Hey, did you kill all those people on Valentine's Day?
No, I'm violent, but I'm not evil.
Cool it. Love is all you need, you odd bird. Say, Al, has anything new happened lately? Anything book-worthy?
And just showed up some cops on the lam, collected a couple of $100 from a beautiful little prostitute, and got thousands claimed for bootlegging. Now, I know what you can write about. You can write about...
Whoa, look at that doll.
What?
Don't you have a wife?
Oh, well, yeah, but I also got 5 babes. One of them's only a couple years older than my daughter. It makes no difference.
What about love is all you need?
Oh, well, yeah, you know. Hey, babe, come over here.
Hi, I'm Linda Bearcat. What do you want?
See, guys, she's a bear cat. Would you like for me to be your daddy?
I don't know you, but I do know you have a wife. If I can't have all of you, I don't want none of you.
Sugar, if you couldn't have the whole cake, wouldn't you want at least a piece of it?
Ah,
Whole cake, wouldn't you want at least a piece of it?
ah.
Car. Exactly. Muchacho.
I'm Italian, and someone has to pay for it.
Hey, can't a guy just go piss without having a gun held to his head?
Well, not when it's my baby Cecilia.
God, I'm glad I'm leaving these shucks. I'm going back to completely silent fills. Talking just gets me into trouble.
Hey, boss, you got a call from Chicago.
Tell them I can't. These public phones are wired. The feds are really hounding me. Some Valentine's deal went down and none of the department head honchos believed that I was in Florida when it happened.
Hey, what about me? I've had an earful of you guys. You and your gang and you and your car and you and your bunnies and your card mumbo jumbo. Where is Chaplin? His dancing. What should I write about? I still haven't figured that out.
Hey, no need to get emotional.
Exactly. Just write about what you feel.
I don't care. I still want to kill you.
Sounds
good.
good.
Not you guys, slay me. Write about what I feel. Just bump me off now.
You see this beauty? Buy it. And volunteer.
Oh shoot.
Don't put us in. Don't.
I'ma worry about me, give a fuck about you, nigga. Just as a reminder to myself, I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house, cause we started from the bottom, now we here.